Today we'll discuss maths cycle to test paper. Okay, let us discuss your answers here. Yes, perimeter is the right answer. Absolutely right, Mahi. Area, no, area is not total length of the boundary of the closed figure, it's written. So if it is written boundary, then Mukul, your answer is wrong. Here it's perimeter. Okay, I am the perimeter of the circle. Second answer. Yes, Avishi, Devanshi, you're right here in the first answer. No, Vanshjan, it's not 2 pi. It's circumference, right? I am the perimeter of the circle. That is circumference. That's right. Vanshjan, you are wrong here. Yes, circumference. Circle के perimeter को हम circumference कहते हैं. That's right. I am the two circles having the same center. Yes, concentric circles. That's right, Vedika. Not congruent circles, beta. Concentric circles. Kavya. Check here. So not circles, beta. Concentric circles it should be. Okay. Next is, let's complete these steps. Just a second. So the profit will be how much? 150. That's right, Mukul Jain. Your answer is absolutely right. And in the second blank, Kavya, your answer is also right for the first blank. Absolutely correct. For the second blank, what should be the answer? Yes, first blank is right, Devanshi. Absolutely correct. Second blank. Tell me about the second blank. What should come in the second blank? That's right. Absolutely correct, Mukul and Vedika. That's right. 150, because profit is 150, CP is 1500 multiplied by 100. So this will be in the second blank. So in this way, you're completing the steps. Next, B part. Here, your radius will be, see the value of pi is 22/7 here, and you have to find out the radius. So in this second, in this blank, what will be coming? 22/7 multiplied by 2 into 88. No, no, Mukul. You have to transpose also the value over here because it's written radius is equal to. Two into 22.7 into 88. No, Kavya, not right. 88 into 7.2 into 22. That's right, Vedika. Vedika is correct here. Yes, 7/22 multiplied by 88/2. That's right, Mahi. Because here we are multiplying. See, 2 will be coming in the division form. So 88/2. 88 will be remain over here as it is. 2 is in multiplication. So 88/2 multiplied by, when you transpose pi value 22/7 from left hand side to right hand side, it will become 7/22. 22/7 will become 7/22 here. So it will be 88 into 7/2 into 22. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Correct the incorrect statements. In a right angled triangle, the longest side is called altitude. Question number 3A part. Hypotenuse. That's right, Kavya Thakur. Yes, Devanshi, your answer is also right. Vedika, your answer is also correct. Yes, hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angled triangle. Yes, Mahi. Next is a straight line which joins 2 points on the circle and passes through the center is radius. Yes, right. Avishi, Vedika, Nabil Khan, Mahi, Mukul Jain. Very good. Diameter is the right answer. It's not radius, it's diameter. Very good. The period usually in years for which the money is borrowed is called rate percent. Not principal, Mukul. Yes, Avishi, you're right here. Time. Because you are telling the period in years. 1, 6, B, 1. It's time percent. Okay, not the principal. That should be time per. So it will be time percent. Who is Ramanand Yadav here? Vedang Yadav. Okay. Yes, time percent is the right answer. Kavya Devanshi. Now let's move to the next question. Complete the following blanks. So 70% is equal to dash percent minus 30%. Yes, right. Mukul, Nabil, Vansh Sharma, why you not answering me? Vansh Jain, Vansh Sharma, Bharth Jain, you're not, your answers are not coming in the chat box. What happened? Vedang, rename yourself and open your webcam also. Nishchay, you are also not answering me. Devanshi, not 10%, it will be 100%. Because when you are subtracting 100% with 30%, you are getting 70% over there. Naman, Kavya, Fiona, open your webcam. Base is 20 centimeter, area is 246 centimeter. You have to find out the height over here. So how much height you have got over here? Area of a parallelogram is equal to, yes, Vedika, Kavya, answers are right. Base into height. So you have to divide 246 upon 20 over here. So you will be getting the altitude or height over here. Yes, 12. Here you have to divide the numbers. Naman, Fiona. Yes, 12.3 centimeters is the right answer. That will be your height. Right answer, Vansh, Mahi, Vedika, Kavya. Yes, right answers. What about others? Naman, Parth, Fiona, you're not getting any answers. You have not written when you were solving the paper. Tarun, Shivam, Meenakshi, Parth. What happened, children? Yes, Vedang, your answer is right. Next is if percentage is given 10%. So when you convert 10% into decimals, what will be the answer? Yes, Vedika, Nishchay, right. Mukul, right. Vansh Sharma, right. Devanshi, right. Yes, Kavya, right also. Naman, right. Abhi kya na, aapka bhi koi answer nahi aa raha beta. Come on, give me some answers in the chat box. Avishi, right. Vansh Jain is also right here. Yes, Nabil Khan. Very good, children. 0.1 is the right answer. When you're converting 10% into decimals, you're getting 0.1. Right, part. Now let's catch the mistake over here. 5 ratio 50 paisa. 5,000 ratio 50 it should be. What is the mistake here? Yes, Fiona, your answer is correct. Kavya, open your camera. Yes, 500 paisa. Instead of 5,000 paisa, it should be 500 paisa. Yes, right. Yes, right. Nishchay, Kavya, right answers. Yes. So that is the mistake in there. And this next part, simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So what is the mistake given over here? 2 zeros are cancelled with 2 zeros here. So what is left? 70 into 3.5 into 2. In B part, what is the mistake? Yes, 35 upon 10. It's on your screen, Kavya. Not 7,000. क्या कर रहे हो मुकुल जैन? Wrong. Beta, when you are converting 7,000 into 3.5 into 2 upon 100, so here 0 zeros will be cancelled with zeros, 2 zeros will be cancelled with 2 zeros. So when you're converting 3.5 into the fractional form, it will become 35 by 10. So instead of 100, it should be 10. Rest everything is right. Did you get your mistakes? Nabil Khan, Utkarsh, Naman, Fiona. Did you understand this? Next, height is given 3 centimeters and area is given 30. And the formula of area of a triangle is half into base into height. So what is the mistake given here? Half into base into height. So you have to find out the base. 60 upon 3. That's right, Vedika. Instead of 90, it should be 60. Because when you are cutting 2 15s are 30, 15 3s are, yes, 60 by 3 is the right answer, Mahi. Half into base into height. Given na? So when your base is here, so 30 will be multiplied by 2 divided by 3. 32 is a 60. 60 upon 3 it will be. So that means the base will be 20 centimeters. But have you understood this? Let's move to the next page. Second page. Case study. So what is the shape of the grass garden over here? What is the shape of the grass garden here? Rectangle. That's right, Mukul. So the answer will be rectangle here. That's right, Mahi, Vedang. What is the perimeter of the grass garden? What is the perimeter of the grass garden? 80. Thirty plus 10, 40. 40 into 2. 80. Okay, fine. What you are saying? Wait. What, Vedika? Which question you are asking? Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yes, which question you are asking?
ma'am. The question of the part. Ma'am, first page.
First page, yes.
Ma'am, in that the question number 3, C part. You told us the answer will be time %. Ma'am, but I only wrote time.
That's correct. Called the time or time percent. That is okay. Fine.
Ma'am, there's no difference in that.
No. It's correct.
Okay.
Okay, let's see your answers. So perimeter of the grass garden is 80 meter. What is the shape of the flower bud? What is the shape of the flower bed? Square. That's right, Sweda. So what is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square will be 40. 4 into side. That's 40 centimeters. 40 meters, not centimeters, beta. Your unit is wrong. Yes, 10 into 4, 40 meters. That's right. So which has the larger area? Grass garden or the flower bed? So for this question, E part, you have to find out the area. So what is the area of the grass garden here? What is the area of the grass garden? No, answer is correct, Vedang, but whose area is larger? What is the area of beta? That is your perimeter. I want the area because they are asking this which has the larger area. 100 meter square, that is of flower bed, Mahi. Grass garden का area कितना है बेटा? Just tell me that answer. 300 meter square. Yes, not 200 meter square. It's 300 meter square. 10 multiplied by 30 length into breadth, that is 300 meter square. And flower bed is 100 meter square. So that means grass garden is having larger area than the flower bed here. Yes, Devanshi, Vedang. Correct. Yes, yes, you're correct over here. Let's discuss very short questions. Find the area of the circle. Here the diameter is given 49. So first of all, what you will be taking out? Radius. That's right, Mahi. 49 by 2. You have to divide it by 2 so that you will get the radius over here. Yes. So what is the answer here? Formula of area of the circle is pi r square. Yes, Mahi, unmute it.
Mama, I have a query.
Yes, Mahi. You have a...
Ma'am, in question number 6 case study.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am in grass garden, ma'am 30 meter to ma'am पूरे का मिला के हुआ ना grass garden और flower bed.
Okay.
Ma'am तो grass garden का सिर्फ 20 meter
200.
breadth होता है.
हाँ, 200 meter square.
Okay, ma'am.
1886.5. That's right, Mukul Jain. Your answer is right. Area of the circle. Pi r square 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 1886.5. Right answer, Mukul Jain. Convert the fractional number to percentage. 3 upon 40 it is given. So convert into percentage. How much you are getting? Yes, Mahi, unmuted. Convert the fraction number to percentage. 3 upon 40. Convert into percentage. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, fine. So when you convert 3 upon 40 into percentage, what you will be doing? Multiply it by 100, 15 upon 2%. Okay, cut it again. How much you are getting? 75 upon 10. Okay, 7.5 percentage. Okay, fine, Kavya. 7.5 percentage is the right answer, or 75 by 10% is also right answer. 15 upon 2 is also correct. That's right. All the answers are correct. Next, let's move to the next. Find the ratio of 15 kg to 210 grams. Convert kgs into grams. 51 kg. How much grams are there? In 1 kg, how many grams are there? Naman, Minakshi, Shivam, Nabil, Vedang, and Utkarsh. Your cameras are still off. Why you're closing your cameras? I have to remove you otherwise from the class if you'll not open your camera again and again. I'm saying this. 1000 grams, that's right, Vansh. Now 15 kg, how much grams? $15,000 grams. That's right, Vedika. Now 15,000 grams divided by 210 grams. Divided, children. 15. Yes, 500 ratio 7. That's right, Mahi. Yes, Vansh. You have to cut the zeros also. And yes, 500 ratio 7. Right, Vedika. Kavya. 210, beta. 15,000 divided by 210. Yes, 7. 500 ratio 7. That's right, Vansh. Ayan, Minakshi, Shivam, you're not answering me in the chat box. Anya, open your webcam. Which part of the figure is colored and find the percentage of the colored portion. Yes, 3/5 is colored. That's right. So what is the percentage of 3/5? When you have to tell the percentage also. 60%. That's right. 3.5. That is 60%. Yes, Vansh, Mahi, right answer. That's right, Naman Jain, Vedika. That's correct. Middle teachers. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters. You have to find out the area. So what is the formula of area of a rectangle? What is the formula of area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. That's right, Mukul. Yes. Length into breadth. Yes, right, Mahi, Naman. Very nice. Yes, construct triangle XYZ. Here, all the three sides are given. So you have to only construct the triangle here. Do not write the steps of construction. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 and we have to find out the radius and area. What is the formula of area? Circumference of a circle? First of all, we are going to apply that. Circumference of a circle. What is the formula of a circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. That's right. That's right, Mahi. 2 pi r. Here, nothing is given, so you can apply any value of pi here, either 22/7 or 3.14. Yes, radius is 5 centimeter. That's right. And what will be the area? Area of a circle, pi r square. Find out the area. What is 78.5 centimeter square? That's right, Vansh Sharma. 78.5 centimeter square. Yes, Mahi, Vansh Sharma, right answer. That's correct. Shivam, Meenakshi, Ayan, open your camera also, beta. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell at the profit of 20%. How much money do I get it for it? Do I get for it? Rupees 12,000. That's right, Mahi. 10,000, the profit will be 2,000. 10,000 ka aap 20% nikaloge, so you will be getting 2,000. So 10,000 plus 2,000 will be 12,000. That will be your selling price. Cost price is 10,000. Yes, 12,000, Fiona. Kavya, right answer. So here EF is given 7.2 centimeter. Angle E is given 110 and angle F is given 80 degree. So can you make a triangle out of it? Yes or no? You have to tell the answer. No, we cannot construct a triangle. Why? What is the reason behind it? You have to mention the reason also here. Yes, no, we cannot construct the triangle here. Your answer is correct. No, it's not possible. But why it is not possible? You have to tell the reason also, Fiona. Tell me the reason. Yes, that's right, Kavya. The sum is 190 degrees. Already 110 plus 80. Two angles are 190 degrees. And if we'll add the third angle, then it will be more than 190. And the sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. Ayan, it's not 180, it's 190. If you find out the sum, here it is already given angle E is 110 and angle F is given 80. So when you add two angles, you're getting 190. Yes. That's right. Yes, right. You have to write down that in this, you have, what is the answer? That the sum of the triangle is 180 degrees and the sum here it is given 190. So it's not possible to construct a triangle here. Correct. Now tell me the last short question. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4, find out the value of the each angle. Yes, 2 plus 3 plus 4, how much it will be? Yes, yes, 40, 60, that's right, Fiona. 80, that's right. Yes, Fiona. Kavya, right answer. 2 into 20. Yes, Mahi, your answer is also correct. That's correct. Now, long question B part, PQRS is a parallelogram and QM is a height. Q to SR and QN is the height to Q to PS. And SR and QM is given in this. So what is the area of the parallelogram here? Base into height. Multiply base into height. Height is 7.6 and SR is given how much? 12. So 12 into 7.6. How much it will be? Yes, 91.2 and 11.4. One Sharma, your answer is right. 9. Yes, 91.2 and 11.4 is the right answer. Very good, children. Find the amount. What is the principal over here? 7,500 is the principal and rate is 5% and time is 3 years given here. So what will be the amount here? Okay, children.